I'm really trying to embrace the Weber girl. Welcome to the show. Please fasten your seatbelts. So today I'm making this one pot protein pasta. It's from Fresh Off the Grid. Super simple. When you make it one time, it's one of those recipes you don't really need a recipe for anymore. You just kind of remember it. Fresh Off the Grid has all of their stuff throughout their social media channels. Looks so delicious. I want to make everything. But this recipe caught my eye because I love pasta. All right, so this summer I want to make a lot of recipes using my Weber grill. So if you have a recipe you love, I'm really looking for something challenging yet interesting. So if you have like a dessert or maybe a breakfast, leave a comment below or send me a direct message. I will feature it on this channel. Let's get started. So the first thing I always do is get a pre-cooking beverage so I don't get parched midway through and pass out. Currently I'm really addicted to oranges with shock top. It's basically orange juice with a splash of beer. Next you're gonna get your ingredients together. It's 1 head of kale, 2 cloves of garlic, salt, pepper, red pepper flakes, olive oil, a jar of tomato sauce, a box of lentil pasta, and some Parmesan cheese. All right, get your grill rocking and rolling. Heat 1 tablespoon of olive oil over medium heat, or in a Weber, it's just basically high heat, so make sure you keep an eye on it. Add the kale and garlic and saute for a few minutes. The color is just gorgeous. Then remove that from the heat and set it aside. To the same skillet, add the pasta sauce and water and bring to a simmer. Add the pasta and cook for about 10 minutes. Now, because you're cooking that pasta in the sauce, the starch from the pasta is really gonna make the sauce super thick very fast. I like my sauce really, really thick, but if you like it thinner, just keep adding water till you get the consistency you like. Stir in the cooked kale and garlic into that sauce. This is where I add the salt and the pepper flakes. I like this dish really hot, so I add more pepper flakes. Take the pasta off the grill. This is where you add your Parmesan cheese on the top. I like a lot of cheese, so I usually go a little buck wild with the cheese. Bam! All right, I hope you like this recipe. Again, it's one of my favorite pasta dishes. Definitely give it a try. Go follow Fresh Off the Grid. And their social media channels, all their content just looks so delicious. I want to make everything. And really look investing in a Weber grill if you don't have one. The one that I have was about $99. I really want to spotlight this grill over the next 2 months. Send me your recipes. Look at this hook I just found. This recipe is off the hook. I'm really hooked on this recipe. So if you want me to cook one of the things you like, just hook up with me. All right, I'll catch you guys next time. See you.